how to download and install Google Meet on Mac. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your MacBook. Now here, if you search for Google Meet, you will not see the official Google Meet application anywhere. So go ahead and open any of your preferred browser. I will open Google Chrome. Now tap on the search bar there and search for Google Meet download, and in the interface that you would be led to, tap on the very first link you see there. Now tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen, and in the menu that appears you will see the option for Cast, Save and Share. Place your cursor there and then tap on the Install Google Meet option, and further tap on the Install button in the pop-up that appears, and with this Google Meet will be installed on your Mac. So this is how you can install Google Meet on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.